Beer Champ Barbecues. Today, we're doing up some Mexican pizzas, Taco Bell pizza style. Oh, hell yeah, everybody's a little upset that it's gone and deleted from the menu. But let's recreate it, and it's super easy. Check this out.
Give me a hell yeah!
I'm gonna fry up about a pound or two of burger, put a little bit of Uncle Steve's sweet and spicy R seasoning in there, mix that all up, and then a can of refried beans, mix that all together, and that's gonna be your base. Cook some flour tortillas, just real quick to get a nice crisp on them. I mean, you could deep fry them if you want. I just put them in the Pit Boss for about 10 minutes at 350, pulled them out, and then put that beef and refried beans down, and then a tostada, a crunchy tostada on top, both the same size. They're about 10-inch, and then layered that on with whatever you want. So I took some jalapeno peppers, diced tomatoes, Mexican style cheese, and then there was a red pepper, one of these guys right here. Whoo, yeah, good, fresh from the garden, and kicked a little bit of heat. Oh, hell yeah. And then I add a little queso on top as well at the end. Whew. All right, folks. My take on a Mexican Taco Bell pizza. A little queso on it. That boy on there is hot. Oh, ho, ho. Good for your heart, they say. It was very good. Those peppers are very hot, but they're super good. Man, yeah, I could do that damn near every day. That is killer, folks. That's so good.
Give me a hell yeah!
Do that, make everybody happy. Oh hell yeah, that rocks. Dynamite, easy to do, so simple. Mexican style pizzas, guys. Deleted from the Taco Bell menu, go make yourself some. It's so simple. You can do it in your oven if you don't have a grill, but you can do it on anything. And it's very quick and delicious. Oh hell yeah.